Yep. Welcome back to another episode of Who Cares? The Randy Brady Show. This episode, we we we, we continue on our journey, um, trade trading forex, the Australian dollar U.S. dollar pair on the 4-hour chart. Now, I've been away from my computer for the most part for the last 12 hours, 3 time cycles. And now I come back here, and this is the situation I see. Now, a normal person may take profit here. I'm a risk taker. I'm not going to, at least not a closing out, at least. There is still momentum to the downside. I do not see any indication of a change in direction. That does not mean it's not going to pull back. It may pull back multiple time cycles. We're on the third, 1, 2, 3, on the fourth time cycle of retracing right now. And that's fine. I am debating if I want to bring my stop down to 3 pips above. Let me mark this. Three pips above here, and then if it goes up, it stops out. That is definitely a valid technique. However, as of yet, I do not see an indication that it is going to change direction. It could very well from here drop back down. I'm not sure. But I'm also confident that if it does pull back from here, it is not going up and wipe out all my gain. I'm confident if it does pull back, it is going to form a lower low. I'm sorry. Let me try that again. I'm confident if it does pull back, it will form a lower high. Now, this is the early stages of a downtrend, or at least that's how it appears at this point. When you are in a downtrend, you want to look for consistent lower highs, not necessarily lower lows. Conversely, if you're in an uptrend, you want to look for higher lows, not necessarily higher highs. Now, that may sound contrary, may sound contradictory, and I get that. But as we go along here in the journey, I will be pointing out these situations as they arise. My philosophy in this trading series is to take you step by step and not overwhelm you with details and facts. I want to address situations as they develop. Now, let's examine this closer. I'm going down to the 1 hour chart, and we can see what's happening. I'm going to do a close up here. This blue line is the high of the 4 hour chart. And you can see it did, 1 hour chart did peak above the 4 hour high ever so briefly. And now it appears to be working itself back down. This nub here, right? This dropping down the end is the current hour. The last hour had the short nub, which there's a higher probability of the current time cycle dropping than there is of continuing up. Now, of course, there's no guarantees, it never is. Only probabilities. We don't have a clear signal here at the bottom of a pullback or of a change in direction. I mean, it's pulling back, yes, but nothing substantial. If there is a substantial pullback or a change in direction, this leg would drop down to the low here or above this low, and then shoot back up, and that would be more like a turn signal. Could happen on a 1 hour chart or 4 hour chart. But right now, it appears as if it's going to continue down. So I am going to let this run. And see what happens. If it does pull back, I will wait. I'll wait it out. Now, it could get nerve-wracking. It could make you nervous and anxious. Don't be. Let the chart play itself out. Now, this here at the bottom, this may develop into a turn signal. That could well happen. But right now, it's not. Now, if now, so at this point, I'm going to choose to wait this out and see what happens in the next time cycle, in the next 2 time cycles. Because in the next 1 or 2 time cycles, we should have a clear indication of where this chart is going. And again, I'm a risk taker. I'm going to wait it out and see what happens. So this session is a bit short, but I wanted to point out just a couple things here, and that missing 2 or 3 time cycles is okay. It's okay. No harm done. Let me show you the day chart, because as I mentioned in the earlier video, I trade on the 4 hour chart, but I use the 1 hour 1 day chart for for clarification and and more information. I'm gonna get rid of the box here. We have a double top or a hitch, um, uh, whichever you see here. So we have multiple days coming down. We have the price action dropping below a previous low, which indicates the trend is down. You can see our trade is pretty close to the top of this leg right here. So the likelihood of pulling all the way up here and going up, although it's possible, it is not likely, at least not the, the next uh, couple time cycles. And if the chart is thinking about just reversing course and going up, there will be a formation on a 4 hour chart and or 1 hour chart that should tell us that the market is indeed changing direction. Now let's take a larger look. You can see that the legs up and down are substantial, and that the trend is going down with a double top right here. I know that this top is slightly above this. I know that. So we will see where this goes. Let me show you a close up here. All right. This is where we are now. Now, right or wrong, good or bad, I'm going to let this ride and wait for a further indication of where the chart may be going. Now this current time cycle may take another 1 or 2, 3 hours before it settles on a direction. So we have to be patient. We have to wait and see where it goes. If I give up some pips, leave money on the table, so be it. I want to protect capital and not lose. So we'll see here what happens. All right. Um, in 4 hours, at the at the end of this time cycle, um, if I'm awake, and no guarantees, but I can try. I'm going to come back here and to check this chart and see if I see any developments. I will. Um, I'm open up my Zoom and record my analysis and reaction, if any. I've I will definitely and for sure be live here again in my Zoom in 3 time cycles, 12 hours. My time is 8:17 p.m. So 8 a.m. or a few minutes before 8 a.m. I will be on here again live, and everybody's well 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 welcome to join me. Um, One thing I keep forgetting, and I've stopped sharing at the moment. I'm going to stop my camera at the moment here. And I'm going to put a message in chat that's for all of my viewers who watch live and or my recording on YouTube. Okay. Until next time, I'm going to sign off. Have a great evening or great day wherever you are, and I'll see you next time.